Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on your LinkedIn account. Now, as you can see here on my LinkedIn account, it says Drew Little, so I can easily change this to whatever I want. And that's very easy. Two ways to actually go into your account is by clicking the profile on the left hand side, and that's going to take you over to your profile, which you can simply click on the edit button here to do that. Or on the upper right hand side, you have this icon here which shows your profile. It says me. You can click that and it's going to take you as well. If you click on view your profile, you will be able to actually view your profile, and it's going to take you right over back to this same page, right? So from here you can just simply click on the edit button, and here you have access to your name and details. So if I want to say Drew, I can put that in. Or if I want to change my last name, let's say I don't want to say Little but I wanted to say Tutorial as an example, I can change that and basically click and save, and that's it. So if you're looking for how to change your name, here it kind of asks you again if you want to verify your account. This will require you to either enter your government ID or your work email address to verify your account. Otherwise, you can just simply click no thanks or click the X in the upper right hand side and just continue to use LinkedIn. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. As you can see, my name is now changed, and that's all there is to it.